29 municipal corporations in Maharashtra are going to elect their new mayor in election scheduled for January 15th. In focus is India's richest civic body, the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, in short BMC. So how does the BMC earn its revenues and where does it spend them? Let's take a look. The BMC is touted as the most resourceful municipal corporation in the country. In financial year 25, its estimated budget was twice the budget of the two other metropolitans, Delhi and Bengaluru, put together. As per media reports, the BMC presented a budget outlay of Rs 59,954.7 crore, while the budgets for the Municipal Corporation of Delhi and Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagar Palike were Rs 16,683 crore and Rs 12,369 crore respectively. Kolkata Municipal Corporation's budget for the financial year was just Rs 5,166.5 crore. In the last 10 years, the BMC's budget has almost doubled to Rs 51,000 crore in financial year 25. Spending has jumped from Rs 20,500 crore in financial year 2015-16 to Rs 44,500 crore this year. The corporation's revenue has grown steadily over the decade and maintains a strong fixed deposit interest on which forms a portion of its annual revenue. In FY25, the BMC's revenue is pegged at Rs 81,774 crore. Fees for various services, licenses and usages form the biggest source of its revenue, followed by grants and subsidies received from state and central governments. Between 2016 and 2025, the corporation received Rs 94,600 crore from fee and user charges, an umbrella term used for registration fee, admission fee, late service license renewal charge, demolition charge, etc. It received Rs 86,700 crore from revenue grants and subsidies received for different government schemes. The Mumbai City Administrator received Rs 75,800 crore from taxes like street tax, theatre tax, electricity tax, etc. between FY16 to FY25. Development of infrastructure like roads, bridges, sewage lines, public health management, and pensions constitutes the biggest chunk of the BMC's expenditure. In the last 10 years, it has spent Rs 11,1600 crore on the city's upkeep and upgrade. Rs 10,700 crore was spent on grants to hospital, educational institutes, libraries, and contributions to different funds and schemes. Similarly, Rs 36,300 crore went to operations and maintenance of public infrastructure. The city spent Rs 8,600 crore on administrative functions like audit, insurance, legal expenses, advertisement, and public relations, etc. as per official documents. The BMC spends considerably on public health initiatives. In FY25, it spent Rs 99.5 crore to control vector-borne disease and pesticides and Rs 12.8 crore on rodent control.